What are you doing? Take the picture. What are you waiting for?
It's a video.
Oh no, not a video.
Oh yes.
It better not appear on Facebook or iTunes or any of those other... No. Wish your girlfriend was hot rod like me. Don't be taking videos. That's so mean. Does it have sound too?
Oh, yeah.
Don't do that. I swear I will never speak to you again if this appears on any computer media.
Is that a promise?
It's so unfair.
The life's unfair.
Shut it off.
No.
Yes.
No.
Why are you keeping on doing it? I'm not doing anything.
It's just funny.
No, it's not.